It's All Natural Dips with another recipe from our kitchen to yours. Today we are making spinach cordon chicken parm. Yes, that's a mouthful. Anyway, so you're gonna need a few ingredients today. First up, you're gonna need that beautiful Parmesan cheese. You're gonna want probably a whole package of it. You're gonna want some breadcrumbs. You're going to need, well, we have 4 chicken breasts. That's enough for our family, so you may need more for yours. You're gonna want some ham. We actually have diced ham, but it's up to you. You can also just have regular ham as well. And ours is already cooked. We'll show you why later. You're going to want 1 egg whipped. You'll see why in a moment. You're going to want some potatoes. Now our potatoes are already pre-cooked. These are red potatoes, which take a little bit longer to cook. If you're using white potatoes, you may be able to use them diced raw. All we've done is added some butter and salt and pepper, and we're gonna actually use these first, so we'll see that in a moment. Finally, you're gonna need our star ingredient, which is our spinach parm dip, which is available on our website at www.allnaturaldips.com. All right, so let's get started. First off, you're gonna wanna take those delicious potatoes, and we're gonna go ahead and put them in our bowl here. So you're gonna just wanna slide them on in. All right, so just kind of flatten those potatoes out so you get a nice even surface. All right, now we're gonna set that just off, and we're gonna start. I have a little bit of breadcrumbs in here. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna do this slowly at a time because we may need more breadcrumbs. So we've got our spinach parm. I'm not gonna put all of it in here. I've got about a half a cup of breadcrumbs in here right now, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of spinach parm. I didn't use much. I just went, oh, that looks good. This is your recipe. If you want more spinach parm, you put it in there. Then you're just gonna take that. I'm using a fork, just kind of mix it up, and now I'm going to put it in a plate so that we can go ahead and put our chicken in it. So I'm just gonna flatten this out a bit so I can use it as a rub for my chicken. All right. Next, you're gonna wanna have that egg in a bowl or in a plate as well, or just a surface where you can kind of put the chicken in it. I'm gonna spread mine out a little bit. All right, let's get to it. All right, so you're gonna take your first chicken. You're gonna dip it one side in the egg wash. You're gonna dip it another side in the egg wash. It's gonna be nice and eggy. And now you're gonna take it over into the breadcrumb mixture. One side, and then the other side. And now you see it's gonna get nice and crispy. So now we're just gonna put this in there right on top of those potatoes, and we're gonna move on to the next one. You can have. All right, now that I have all 4 of my chicken breasts seasoned and ready to go, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. You'll wanna preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now, because we are using already cooked ham, we're gonna go ahead and give this a head start. So we're gonna put it in the oven for about 15 minutes and then continue cooking it the rest of the way. So we'll see you in about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, we're back. It's been about 15 minutes in the oven at 350 degrees. Now we're going to add a white sauce. Now, if you've watched our other videos, we've made plenty of white sauces, so you can catch one of those. We've actually added some Parmesan cheese, so that's why you're gonna see this beautiful stringiness coming out from it. So all you do is do that white sauce that we make with the flour, the butter, and the milk, and you add in Parmesan cheese. Super easy to make, and I will have the recipe down here in the information as well, just in case you need it. All right, now that you've got your white sauce down, you can kind of spread it out just a bit so it covers the top here. And now you're ready to add your ham. So like I said, we've diced our ham and ours is already cooked, which is why we could wait till later. You're just gonna wanna spread your ham out throughout the dish, right on top. Right, and your final ingredient cheese. So let's add that Parmesan cheese and we're gonna cover it all on top. Now we're gonna put it back in the oven after we've covered it. That way we can get it nice and cooked. You do wanna make sure that your chicken has been cooked. When I took it out at 15 minutes, my chicken definitely still needs more time. So keep that in mind as well. All right, so we have our dish here. Oh, it looks amazing. We put it in for an extra 15 minutes to make sure that chicken got nice and cooked. And right here on top, you can see all that Parmesan cheese is melted with that ham. And you can even see bits of the chicken nice and crispy below. So we are ready to eat. But you know you can find us online anytime at www.allnaturaldips.com. Don't forget to hashtag AllNaturalDips. And if you are looking for spinach parm or any of our other mixes, you can find us at that website to order more. Thank you, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Bye-bye.